There are a couple of questions.
How is it related?
No, I'm saying, what is the story about? Because Imtiaz has told distinct, very different stories, and he put those on celluloid.
Why don't you just say what Lekar Amdiana Dil's about?
Yeah.
Since that was also asked in it.
Yeah.
So Imtiaz has gone ahead and explored various aspects of relationships, so there were very few things left. So I made a detailed study of all his films, and I figured out, okay, what has he not done? And then I chose this story. No, that's a joke, sorry. No, I did not think anything about Imtiaz. I just came up with one idea, and it stuck in my head. And it is very relatable. It is very new. It's very youth of today's. The kind of things that they do, the kind of chances they take with life, and so it just and I've grown up. I've done my college in this city, so I know Bombay, South Bombay kind of area and the kind of people they are, and so I just picked up characters from there, and it all came together. What is happening in today's India, and I just superimposed it on a love story, like two young people who take a bold decision in life, who think that कि अपनी तकदीर अपने हाथ में होनी चाहिए. आगे का जनरेशन को नहीं पता है, बड़े लोगों को नहीं पता कि हमको क्या चाहिए. I know I'm the ruler of my destiny, and with that thing that they go forward, they try to carve out their life, and sometimes you fail, but the movie is about the resurgence, about picking yourself up and living another day.
What they have is similar, if you ask. They're both writer-directors. So when actually Imtiaz is the one who told me about the story the first time, and the fact that they both write makes it very simple for them to relate to characters, because we've worked with Imtiaz in Love Aajkal before. So I think their strength is that they know their characters, so they don't have to find the characters and it's another writer. So I think that is what they have in similar. But I think the way they both grown up, they started, but they both live very different lives. And I think that's his basic, when he told me, was like making mistakes and growing up. And I think that's what the film is about. So if you are similar, they're writer-directors, but the story and his style is completely different.
Was it a conscious effort that Illuminati is producing the film since Kareena and Saif Ali Khan are together?
It happened with him telling us a story, and yes, I think what comes naturally to us, we can't say we're good at it, is making love stories. So after Love Aajkal and Cocktail, it is being a bit nervous because we've launched two new faces with a new director. But I think for us, it is to find a story that we really connect with and we believe in, and then we back the director to make his best possible film and back the talent. So we tried our best, and hopefully they are good enough here.
I want to actually add. I want to add to this. Arif sir is actually the character, which I'm playing, and I'm pretty sure of it because
Yeah.
through every rehearsal he's performed every scene and he's done everything with great enthusiasm, and that was a great driving force for all of us. It made it easier.
Dream that I never fulfilled.
He keeps saying that I don't believe it, but yeah.
Arman, which has been your greatest love story ever told on celluloid?
Sorry,
Greatest love story ever portrayed in Bollywood movies?
Basically the best film I've seen.
The best
love
love
story.
story. What do you think about the best love story?
I have many actually. I have many, but probably कुछ होता है.
अमन आपसे पूछना था मतलब धीराज कपूर से
जी.
लेकर अप्टिल रणवीर
जी.
मतलब सभी कपूर की अपनी एक इमेज है पर्दे पे
जी.
तो वो ब्रेक करने की एक जिम्मेदारी आपको किस हद तक लगती है क्योंकि कंपैरिजन तो होगा
जी जिम्मेदारी तो है लेकिन actually I haven't really thought about it I haven't really thought how I'll do things differently. I just want to do the best I can do. So I really hope everyone could accept it at some level. I mean, I'm going to try my best to do the best I can. That's it.
To put it in another words, who, according to you personally, is your favorite actor from your own family, or what films can you just pick out saying that this is my favorite film that Raj Kapoor has made?
Hands down, my grandfather. I've always grown up seeing his films, and actually I've never seen him. So for me, seeing his films, I started. I mean, my mom used to tell me. My mom taught me about my grandfather through watching his films. So she would say that's your Nana ji, and I would believe that he's a joker. Actually, while we were, I used to not eat food when I was young. So she used to come and try feeding me, and I would refuse. So she would put the circus on repeat on TV, and every time I saw it, I was probably 3 or 4. She told me the other day actually. Every time I saw it, I would just smile, laugh, and like eat my food. And I don't know. Growing up, I think he's always been my greatest inspiration. I always wanted to be a joker all my life and entertain people. That's it.
He literally wanted to go to a circus.
Yeah,
to be a Joker.
I wanted to go to a circus. When I was young, I wanted to convince my parents to go to a circus and actually go and perform, but they said no. I was
You've
very
come
disappointed.
Very close to that.